Hello and welcome to another video about VeChain. VeChain is doing finally what we've been saying on this channel, well, for a while now. VeChain needed to catch up, and VeChain is doing that at this moment. And generally, I like to invest in projects that have very, very strong fundamentals. So even if they, for a certain period, are a bit slower, I don't need to worry. And I know VeChain has fantastic fundamentals, fantastic partnerships. And yeah, it's one of the few cryptocurrencies that actually the Chinese government like. So yeah, I'm very bullish on VeChain anyway. So we've been covering it for a while on this channel, talking about this ascending channel here, talking about these breakout points, and finally the breakouts happened, and not only a fake out like we did up here on the, I believe it was the 17th of October. No, and we have volume as well. And that is really a few days ago, the volume started to kick in, going up and up, and yeah, we've pretty much reached a peak here today on the volume bar down here. So yeah, we're approaching another key level of resistance, and we want to talk about that on this channel. So we have made a bullish cross here a few days, no, actually was that yesterday here, where the 20-day moving average, a few days ago, where the 20-day moving average crossed above the 50. I think I mentioned it at the time in the video. Yeah, we had support here by the 50-day moving average all the time. The 200-day moving average has held us down here, here, and also here. It was basically a fake out. But now we finally broke through the 200-day moving average as well, which is very important, which is very strong. Very soon, we're going to have another bullish cross, maybe some people call it golden cross, where the 20-day moving average will cross the 200-day moving average. So that's nice. Here on the 8-hour chart, you can very nicely see that we found resistance here at that resistance level 13.5 cents, which I had on the chart before. Probably need to move it up a little bit. There you go, 13.5. We then broke through. Then we are currently in the current candle. We are testing it, yeah, and that test would need to be successful for us to move higher to the next level here, which is at around 14 cents, which was basically that high back here on the 15th of August. That's a key high, and we had support resistance before here at this same level here, here, and here. So yeah, it is another level that we are going to approach, and basically where we just found some resistance as well. And maybe we can see it a little bit clearer on the 4-hour chart. There you go. You can currently see that we made that high here where we failed that retest, came all the way up, couldn't get through 14 cents, but found now support apparently at the 13.5 cents. We're currently retesting, very small green candle emerging, so hopefully that retest will be successful. So it's good to see the 4-hour candle already closed above that level here, and we are climbing up. That is good. We are going to approach the next level, which is 14 cents, and after that we've got a key level, which is that 15.6, 15, it's a range up here. So I would say it starts at 15 cents, and basically it is that high here that we had before that so-called flash crash on the 5th of September, and we had a high here, which came very close as well. So it's a key level, and with that key level, it's very important at 15.5, 15.6 cent level, because you can also identify a cup and handle on the chart. So that would be the neckline of that cup and handle. When we break that, I think the target level would be somewhere up here at around 25 cents. I mentioned it before, and we are on our way towards that. So it's looking good. I personally have some trading bots running with VeChain. I think it's not the best crypto for a trading bot because it's not very volatile, but still it's actually quite nice to have that running. Actually, my first trading bots, I never used them before, been running now for a few weeks, and they've actually made some profits even though VeChain dropped. If you want me to do a video, by the way, on these trading bots and how they work, let me know in the comments, please. It will be a bit more work for me to do that, but I'm happy to do it if people want to watch it. And in these videos, I could share my experience about trading bots on KuCoin. So basically here 14 cents, and yeah, from there we could approach the 15 cents. Now we are currently, as I said, retesting that support. Now I think we're coiling up here for the next move to the upside. We need, however, here on the 4-hour chart, you can see it, we were in the overheated range here above 70. I think we've cooled down now a little bit, so yeah, we might have again some more scope to move to the upside on the RSI. And to be honest, the RSI was quite low when we started that move to the upside. Because of that, very, very slow move to the upside that we had all the time. On the MACD as well, you know, we have a lot of scope to the upside. We haven't made a bearish cross yet. I think we might turn around here and carry on from here to the upside. And that is the 4-hour chart. Let's take a look on the daily. The daily chart shows that we're getting closer here on the daily to the into the overbought range. So, you know, maybe we have scope to take another level. But then at some point we need to have a bit of a retracement now, because we get too much overbought then. You know, as soon as we get above 70, getting a bit critical. I think the MACD still has scope to the upside. That's looking good. You know, whenever we really made a breakout into the bullish range of the MACD, it started to look really good here the last time as well. And we've got that now as well, even crossed the 0 line. So we've got some more scope here to move up. You know, last time that peak here, we were even higher and the MACD was much lower as well. But when we were moving higher from here in July, the MACD was getting much, much higher, the MACD line. So we are not even close to that. So we have scope as well on the MACD. And yeah, I think, you know, it's looking good, and I can't wait for that cup and handle. Now, if we should lose, you know, that 13.4, 13.5 level where we're currently finding support, we can fall down again, certainly to that 200-day moving average, which is sitting at 12.3 cents. Yeah, I think that is a key level of support. Certainly the next one then for me would be the 20-day moving average, currently at around 12 cents, and that descending trend line here, which is pretty much at the same level. So we've got a whole cluster of different support levels and lines and moving averages, which will provide support should we really go down once more. So yeah, I think it's good. We've seen a slow move to the upside, but now it's accelerating, which is nice to see. And I think we certainly, just move that line, certainly have scope to get to 15 cents and get beyond, and certainly in this year's bull run. And also alt season, which will be coming. I think we have we'll see very nice prices, and I think 25 cents might be certainly realistic for that, maybe even more. So hope you liked that video about VeChain. If you want me to cover VeChain going forward, let me know in the comments. Let me know if you have any VeChain or coins, VET coins. And yeah, if you like the video, please smash the like button and the subscribe button, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.